guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's 11 in the morning right now and it's crazy hot. So I'll be working on this BMW 530i G30 today, M Sport, and the car has been coated in somewhere around 2018. So because of the lockdown, the recent maintenance has not been done, but previously all the maintenance were on time. The car is exposed with all kinds of contaminations, and we got tar spots, we got watermarks, we got iron particles and everything. So today's job is to clear off all these contaminations, give the car a good layer of wax, and just restore the shine overall all around the car. So it's going to be a simple video, so make sure you like, share, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell button for post notifications, comment in the comment section below if you got any questions, and I'll show you guys everything in a cinematic video as usual, and see you guys at the end. Yo guys, so I have completed the BMW, and I'd like to talk a bit about the engine bay detailing side. There were some rather unusual spots that I saw on the engine bay that was a bit greasier than normal for such a modern car. I am not sure why that there were two spots in the engine bay that were extremely greasy. So I actually told the client about it, and he will be checking it up with BMW. And from the exterior, there is nothing much that I can talk about because the car has been coated, so stains and damages don't really etch into the paint. So it was quite straightforward to just clear everything off, and on the edges of the car I actually removed most of the caked up dirt and stains with various brushes, and that is pretty much it. So I guess I just end the video here. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell button for post notifications, comment in the comment section below if you got any questions, and I will see you guys at the next video.